Have you ever reached the airport only to realize your suitcase is way too heavy? Leaving you wondering if you can still add extra baggage during check-in? The short answer is yes. You almost always can, but how you do it makes a massive difference to your wallet. If you wait until you are standing at the airport counter or gate, you will pay the absolute highest price. Sometimes double the standard fee. Instead of panicking at the check-in desk, pull out your phone. Even if you have already checked in online and have a digital boarding pass, most airlines keep the Add Baggage feature open in their app right up until the bag drop deadline. By adding your extra luggage digitally, you lock in online pricing and can save a significant amount of money. You just need to act fast. Bag drop deadlines are strict, usually closing 45 to 60 minutes before your flight departs. Arriving late means your bag will not fly. Also, beware of weight limits. If your extra bag is over 50 pounds, you will be hit with steep overweight penalties on top of the extra bag fee. To avoid the worst surprises, always check your airline app before stepping up to the counter and weigh your bags before leaving home.